how to use ClickUp for video production. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to use ClickUp for your video production. So basically, we're gonna use template from ClickUp, and it's gonna be make our job easier because you don't have to start from scratch. So first, you can open your ClickUp account and then go to your dashboard and then go to your left side. As you can see, I have several spaces. And let's say you don't have a space yet, you can just click plus icon here on the space to create new space, and you can name it whatever you want. Let's say I'm gonna name it video production like this, and then I'm gonna leave it like that and just click continue. Then you can choose your workflow. I'm gonna choose project management, and then default views. You can choose whatever you want. I'm gonna leave it like that, and then click create space. And after you create space, you can just go to your space. So this is my video production space, and I'm gonna click plus icon here to create folders and more. And then you can go to templates. You can click on it, and it will brings you to the template center, and then you can choose the template types. I check all of them, and then you can go to your search box, and then you can type video production like this, and you will find several templates. So you can choose whatever you want, but let's say I'm gonna choose YouTube video production, and then you can see this is the description, and this is the template includes the feature. There are some custom fields. You can also check other template, maybe this one. And then you can check their feature like this, their pages, or let's say this one. I think this is better because there are more features, status group, custom fields, and also view types. And then you can go to here to use template, you can click it, then you can name it. I'm gonna choose YouTube video production, and then you can choose the what should the list be created. I'm gonna choose video production, and then you can import something if you have data or something like that. And I'm gonna choose no for this one, and then you can just click use template in the bottom right corner here. After wait a few seconds, my template has been successfully created. As you can see, this is my template for the YouTube video production. I can modify anything, I think it's good enough. But if you want to try another template, you can just repeat the process and use another template. And I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.